What's up? Today I want to talk about the best Lightroom export settings for Instagram. Now, if you just want to get the settings, you want to get out of here, here they are.
Alright, so now we are in Lightroom, and let's say that you've edited this picture and you want to send it to your desktop and then post it to Instagram. You go to File, Export. Here we'd choose the desktop, like I already have it. Then you'd go down to here, and for quality you'd put 100. You'd choose long edge, and then you'd put 2000 pixels, and then resolution would be 300 pixels per inch, and then you'd push export. And that would send this photo to your desktop. And if you wanted to save these settings for future use, you just push add. You could name it Instagram, create, and then it populates here. And next time you have a picture that you want to use these settings on and you want to post on Instagram, you simply click here and it will automatically populate here.
If you want to know how I got to these settings, I was on YouTube, I was on the internet, on Google, trying to figure out what the best export settings for Instagram were, and I found that these settings were the best ones. Some people were having me put my quality down a little bit, some people were having me put the long edge pixels down a little bit, but I found that after comparing different ones, these ones are the best ones. It might be hard to tell the difference, but this picture was exported with a long edge at 1080 pixels, and the quality was at 72. And when you zoom in, it's pixelated. Every picture you post on Instagram is going to get pixelated as you zoom in because they compress your photos. This one was exported at 100 quality and the long edge was 2000, and so the image is a little bit better. Now it's slight, it's very slight. One's a little bit more pixelated than the other one, this one's a little bit better. I hope this helps. I was trying to find this information online. It was kind of hard to figure out what exactly were the best settings. So if you had used different settings and you think they're better, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.